have an appetite for working in a team environment in a modern and growing industry, then you're gonna love today's career, food processing. I'm Brian.
Hi, I'm Maha. Welcome to Freyberg Gourmet Foods.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna give you a tour of the plant. I'm just gonna get you all gowned up, like as you can see.
Yes.
All gowned up.
I will meet you on the other side.
Freyberg Gourmet Foods is a meat processing plant. They make all kinds of meat, from salamis to sausages to wieners to whole hams.
My hands are getting cold already. I can feel how cold it's gonna be.
I'm a packaging associate and also a packaging team leader. Packaging associate is a person who goes on the line from one section to another, whether it be packaging, whether it be labeling, or filling in the product into the packages. A typical day would be from 6 a.m. in the morning till 2:30 in the afternoon. We set up the line, make sure that the line is running smoothly to avoid any downtime. My responsibility is to make sure that the product has the right temperature, the right gas content in each package, and make sure that it runs through a metal detector to avoid any foreign object that would go outside the plant. Qualifications to work as a packaging associate would be high school graduate, past experience in a food industry, or a food certificate would be an asset. A person who likes to communicate with others, work in a team environment, loves to work with their hands, and can be physically fit. The job is demanding. We do a lot of calculations also. The sizes of the packages, it could be from a 175-gram package to a kilo, depending on what weight the package is. I would tell them that we're doing 300 gram today, and they would weigh the product onto a scale, making sure that we are getting the proper weights into the package.
So I poke it in, put it just slightly, and then hold down and press start. And wait another few seconds, and it gives you the reading.
And that's right?
Fine. Yes.
That's good?
Yes.
Beautiful.
I would say the toughest part of my job as a packaging associate would be when something goes wrong with the machine, because you always have to attend to the machine, from die change to how to put on the film, to how to operate the computer itself, how to set up the machine, and how to do the proper settings. That is key. Let's say if somebody is filling, who's able to fill pretty fast, then I would have to speed up the machine. Or somebody who's able to label, like, let's say 6 labels at a time. So by speeding up the machine to see how fast it's going, how slow it's going, or adjusting the employees themselves, so just to see how well they work in certain areas.
I'm gonna put it here. That. How am I doing? Am I right?
You have to keep a lookout on the packaging side of the line, to the person who's filling and the person who's loading, because anything may go wrong with the machine or the employee.
It's unbelievable. All I want to do is eat some pepperoni. I just want a sandwich, like a big deli sandwich.
You do have to have attention to detail, because consistency of a product is key. Food industry is different in the fact that it cares about the public safety, about hygiene, and it is more demanding than other manufacturing industries, just for the fact that we make a perishable product. As a packaging associate, it can lead from packaging team leader to being a senior team leader, which would actually assist you in going into the supervisory position. And from a supervisory position, you would be able to pursue a career as a manager. Well, you have to love food to love this job. When I go into a supermarket and I see our product, how well it's been packaged, it makes me feel happy and proud of the product that we have produced for the public. When I get customers' feedback that they're satisfied, that's rewarding to me.
Maha, thank you very much for showing us around. You really gave us some food for thought. Once again, I'm Brian for Career Trek, reminding you that this career could be yours. See you next time.